Hi there, thanks so much for buying a Jetwave high pressure water cleaner, and today we're going to be showing you how to fit either your 30 metre or your 60 metre hose reel to any of your Jetwave units. So a very appealing factor about the Jetwave range is most of the units have a multi-configuration design, which means that a lot of these stainless steel exoskeletons covering all the functioning parts of the unit, not only protected, but it has some pretty cool pre-drilled holes that you can attach a variety of accessories to. So in this case, if you've already purchased the pressure cleaner, you've been using it for 6 to 12 months, you decide, hey, a hose reel's for me, you can do this yourself on site and order the reel from us. So let's get straight to it. We'll show you how to bolt on and attach this hose reel to the Jetwave unit. There will be pre-drilled bolt holes on the Jetwave exoskeleton. Identify these where you'll be attaching the hose reel to. Line up the holes on the hose reel with the pre-drilled holes on the Jetwave unit. The hose reel is situated on the correct side of the machine with the locking pin, the water inlet thread, as well as the fluid outlet on the same side of the machine. The Jetwave high pressure reel will come supplied with bolts, nuts and washers to attach onto the pre-drilled holes on the machine. Open these and we'll get them set up. Slot all 4 bolts in place, which then in this next step will ensure we have the right tools to screw the nuts on underneath those bolts. Prepare your 1/2 inch closed-in spanner with a 1/2 inch socket to suit, as well as our 1/4 inch drive. Make sure that those nuts and bolts are nice and tight when we're situating the hose reel. Attach an extension to your drive. Make sure that you can tighten the nut underneath the unit in some of the harder to reach spaces. Place the spanner top of the bolt head, and underneath the unit, tighten the nut with your 1/4 inch drive. Hold the spanner in place and ensure you're torquing it nice and tight, but be wary, do not over tighten. The next step is to attach the leader hose to the machine. You'll want to screw this on to the high pressure water outlet, then also attach into the hose inlet. Attach the hose to the high pressure reel and ensure that it's nice and tight via hand first. We want to then grab our adjustable wrench or suitable spanner and ensure that it's nice and tight, as there will be high pressure water travelling through this fluid path. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your new high pressure Jetwave water cleaner.